What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel! Para sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, ako po si Alek, isang simpleng mamamayan ng bansang Pilipinas! Kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Alektish Official. Click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may mga bagong videos tayo na i-upload. And for today's video, we're gonna talk about the SIM registration law. So, are you excited? Same here! What are you waiting for? Let's get this party started! Welcome back guys! So as promised, pag-uusapan natin ngayon tong SIM registration law. Ano nga ba tong batas na to? Well, para sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, kailangan na nating i-register ang ating mga SIM cards kahit anong network pa yan, Smart, Globe, or dito, with our personal information. Makakatulong to para matrace yung mga tao na nagsasend sa atin ng mga scam text messages. Naalala nyo recently, ang dami nating nare-receive ng mga scam text, as in sunod-sunod sila. And ang nakakatakot pa dito is, nakalagay doon sa mga text messages na yon ang ating mga pangalan. So, syempre magtataka ka ngayon, paano nalaman ng sender na to ang number ko at ang pangalan ko? Kaya nagawa yung SIM Registration Act. So, for today's video, we're gonna talk about some frequently asked questions and how to do the registration. I really hope you find this video helpful. Stay tuned!
So first things first, we needed to know what is the purpose of this law. Is this really important? This law aims to address the proliferation of text scams in the country as well as the other crimes committed through text messages. So hopefully through this law, it will minimize or better yet stop any criminal activities through text messages. Who needs to register? All of the postpaid and prepaid SIM card users are required to register. Next, when did the registration start? Well, it just started recently, just this 27th of December. Now, upon registration, you will be asked to enter your name, your date of birth, your gender, together with a copy of your government-issued ID. Now, what are the types of IDs that are acceptable or the IDs that you could present for the registration? You can just pause this video so that you could see the complete list of these acceptable government-issued IDs. Now, is there a fee for the registration? Of course, there's none. The registration is absolutely free. So there are no reasons for you not to register your SIMs. How long do users have to register their SIMs? Now, we are given 180 days after the 27th of December for us to register our SIMs. But wait, there's more. An extension period of up to 120 more days is allowed for the registration. Now, what will happen if you don't register or if you fail the registration? Unfortunately, your SIM will be deactivated. However, owners of deactivated SIMs will be given 5 days to register and reactivate. Now, for new SIM users, it will remain deactivated until end users complete the process of registration. So, what are the penalties for those who have proven to have violated this law? For the violators, you may be fined and imprisoned. Now, for the complete list, you could actually check it online. Now, let's go to the exciting part. how to register. Now, let me show you how I did my registration. Since I am a Dito subscriber, they set up the registration through their app. So I just went to the Dito app, and you will see this icon upon logging in. Then these are the details that will be asked from you for the registration. Now, guys, I just wanted to reiterate some things for you to be able to register successfully. So at this part, you will be asked to attach your government issued ID together with a picture of you holding that ID. It's best if you could have that photographed first, or you could have captured it from your cell phones and saved it from your gallery before starting the registration, so you could crop it correctly and you could make sure that everything is clear from the picture. Now, aside from that, you will also be asked to enter the one-time password. I would advise you do this at the latter part of the registration, because once it timed out, you will again be asked for a new one-time PIN. And you may get this error once it timed out. Once the registration is done, there will be a confirmation that everything is all good now. It will show your mobile number together with the SIM registration number. Now, I would highly recommend you to keep a screenshot of this screen because you may be using this in the future. And finally, I just wanted to clarify that this is how the registration goes for Dito subscribers. Now, if you are Smart or Globe subscribers, you may just visit these links. And that's it.
And there you have it, guys. I hope after this video, para sa mga hindi pa tapos or hindi pa nakapag-register, please register your SIMs as soon as you can. Kailangan magtulungan tayo to prevent any criminal activities through text messages. And also, guys, I would like to promote one of my friends' YouTube channel, Uli Kiora. Para sa mga mahilig mag-Mobile Legends dyan, please subscribe to her channel as well. And that wraps up our video for today. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Alektish Official. Tick on the notification bell para lagi kang updated pag may mga bagong videos tayo na i-upload. And guys, thank you so much for always watching and supporting my videos. You take care and God bless. See you on my next video next year. Happy New Year!